Do you have a cluttered fridge where you can't find anything and things go bad before you even get to use them?
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something super satisfying. I will show you how I organize my fridge so everything stays fresh longer and looks great too. Plus, I'll share my meal prep idea for an easy, yummy salad, perfect for lunch on busy weekdays. Hey Vicky, you want to check out my fridge? I promise, it's more organized than your love life.
Wow. Yeah, very organized.
Step 1 would be to deep clean and declutter. Take everything out, check expiration dates, take your leftovers and your excess out to the trash. Some things just don't belong in your life anymore. And wipe down your shelves and drawers with a natural cleaner. Step 2, categorize your zone. Top shelf is for ready-to-eat food and herbs. A rectangular turntable allows you to reach more easily by spinning it instead of having to dig through layers of food. Clear containers allow you to easily see what you have at a glance, reducing the time spent searching for items. This helps prevent food waste as you're more likely to use products before they expire. So this glass container here is perfect for storing like carrots. You can just flip it so all the water goes down here. And that way you can preserve this for up to like even 2 weeks. And they'll stay still fresh. And it's perfect for snacks. You can do this also with cucumbers, olives, pickles. All you need to do is turn it back so the water keeps it fresh for longer. Keeping milk in a glass container offers several advantages. It does not leach chemicals. It doesn't absorb odors from other food. Just make sure to label the milk. Keep herbs and asparagus in a container with water. This keeps it from wilting too fast. I like to keep eggs in the original containers. Egg cartons help maintain the right level of humidity around the eggs, and it prevents them from drying out and helps maintain the freshness instead of transferring it to a different container. If you have a deep shelf like mine, you can install this drawer that comes with self-adhesive legs. You can store fruits there, select berries in original container. Check for spoiled ones and put a paper towel in there so it absorbs the moisture. This prevents mold growth and keeps it fresh longer. So separate ethylene producing food like bananas, apples, store them away from veggies because it's gonna wilt the veggies. So for tomatoes and avocados, I store them first if they're unripe on the counter, and once they're ripe, I place them in the fridge.
Leafy vegetables can wilt quickly, but you can keep them fresh for longer if you wrap them in paper towels to absorb the moisture and place them in your crisper drawers on high humidity settings separate from fruits. Same with cucumbers.
For cauliflower, it's actually better to take it out of the plastic because the plastic is what makes it go brown. Cut it in a small size and store it in an airtight container. Same with onions, also better to store it peeled and in an airtight container. Bottom shelf is raw meat. It has its own shelf. It's on the bottom. It cannot leak anywhere. On door compartments, I like to keep condiments, butter, drinks, and less temperature sensitive items.
Here is a quick tour of my freezer. top shelf. I usually keep frozen bread. Middle shelf is for frozen fruits and veggies. Next shelf is for my Ninja creamy desserts and baby food, and bottom shelves are for raw meat.
Let's prep some healthy jar salad. So first step is dressing first. Pour dressing at the bottom to prevent soggy grains. And then next layer is hearty veg. Add tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, or carrots. Next layer is protein. And some starch, like maybe pasta. I like to use couscous. Add mixed greens on top so keep it fresh. And then some crunch, maybe almonds. Store it in the fridge for up to 5 days.
And whenever you are ready, just shake it and enjoy. It's perfect for to-go lunches.
So that's it, guys. If you haven't seen my kitchen organization, make sure to check it out. I hope this was helpful. If you have any hacks you would like to share, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.